Can you say hi?
Hi.
Arshdeep, can you say eh? Can you say iguana?
Iguana.
Okay, let's sing the silly poem. You ready?
Let's learn the silly poem with E. Iggy Igloo. What's made of snow? What's made of snow? Cold as ice. Cold as ice. Iggy the igloo. Iggy the igloo. Icky as rice. Icky as rice.
Arshdeep, can you say thank you, friends?
So correct.
Bow. Good job, Arshdeep.